y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded a video in a while, so I got something special for y'all. I am doing a Twaid Out with Alodia hair care products. This is not a sponsored post. It's just something that I wanted to try and I love it. So I start off with doing a braid from my roots, nice and tight. Make sure you're braiding really tight. Next, I detangle the ends and I start with 2 strands to begin my 2-strand twist. Make sure you're doing it very tightly so that you can get optimal definition, because we all know why you're here. You want that definition, sis. So continue to look and see what happens. When unraveling them, take your time. This is sped up. I am not moving that fast in real life. You're gonna coat your fingers with oil of your choice and begin to take down your twist and your braids. Take your time and separate them very slowly. Your definition, sis? Oh my gosh, it is amazing. Look at this definition. You can't even fake it if you wanted to. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe.